So hello students, this is class 4. Class 4, subject GK. This is subject GK. Today we have to study lesson 16, environment lovers. Lesson 16, environment lovers. Environment lovers. So first we had know what is environment. The things around us make our environment. Suppose we are studying here, it is my environment. We are living in a home, our home makes our environment. So, where we are living, we are surrounded by air, maybe soil, water, land, plants, etc. etc. We are surrounded by air, maybe water vapors may be there, or any form water may be there, soil, plants and other animals. This makes our environment. We simply in one word, that is environment is made of two components, living components and non-living components. Living means living components as the animals and the plants, non-living components as the air, water, etc. etc. So, due to human activity, the environment get polluted. Many harmful gases are discharged into the atmosphere. Pollutant matters that the sewage is poured into water bodies. So water bodies get polluted. The organism living in the water get harmed. They may die. We are cutting down trees. There is scarcity of oxygen. Plants purify the air, so they provide us neat and clean air. So there are some people who are working to protect the nature. These persons are called as environment lovers. Persons who are working in favor of the nature, favor of the environment, are called as environmental or environment lovers. So in this lesson we have to study about some environment lovers. So first you see this page number 23 is page number 23. Page number is 23. You have to observe Now open book and observe this page. First, many people have dedicated their lives and worked to save the environment in India. Use the clues to identify them correctly. Some clues are given here and you have to identify these environment lovers. First I am reading the statement. An environmentalist in his 70s from Ekalpuri village near Jodhpur in Rajasthan. He has planted 27,000 trees in 25 bigha land with a large earthen pitcher single-handedly. He is known as Ahu Tree Man. Planting trees has stopped the desert from expanding into his village. So very popular name is there. Which will be correct? That is Rana Ram Bishnoi. So first is Rana Ram Bishnoi. Now second one is he pioneered work in community-based efforts in water harvesting and water management. He was awarded the Raman Magsaysay Award in 2001. What is his name? The name is Rajinder Singh. Now third, once again, he pioneered work in community-based efforts in water harvesting and water management. He was awarded the Raman Magsaysay Award in 2001. So he is Rajinder Singh. Now next, he is a Padma Shri Award winner. The award was given to him for his NGO which he started to help the rural people of Sundarban region and fought for stopping destruction of mangrove forest. Mangrove forest are some special type of forest which are found in marshy areas in the delta of West Bengal. So third, Tushar Kanjilal. He is, he is the founder of People for Animal. He is the founder of People for Animals, the largest organization for animal welfare in India. What is her name? She is Maneka Gandhi. Number 5. She is famous for raising the public awareness towards the crop that were being harmed by use of chemical fertilizers. You know that the chemical fertilizers are used for increasing the production of the crops, but these chemical fertilizers harm the nature. One hand, they increases the productivity, and on the other hand, they harm the nature. What is name? So his name, no, her name is Vandana Shiva. Vandana Shiva. Now 6, we have to see. He is a former CRPF employee and auto repair who has taken up care of injured animals on highways in the Jalore district, Rajasthan. He started on his own and now volunteers workers in a well-run farm and care center give medical care for hundreds of injured and sick wild animals. What his name is Pira Ramakrishnan. Pira Ram Vishnu. Pira Ram Vishnu. So that is, these are the list of environment lovers. So once again you write these in your notebook. You have to write here, you fill these you have to fill in your notebook, and then you can write in your notebook. First you have to write in your textbook, and then you have to write in your notebook. Now one lesson we can also complete 2 lessons. Lesson 17. Why is plastic being banned? Question 17. Why is plastic being banned? Why is plastic being banned? Page number change here. Page number is 24. Now this is page number 24. So next, why is plastic being banned? You are familiar to plastic. Everywhere we observe the plastic. We are going for marketing. We are going for purchasing vegetables. Shopkeepers generally give the articles, give the things in the plastic bags. We use the plastic articles, and nowadays in almost all the field of life, plastic is used. But one drawback is there. Plastic persists for a long time in the nature. It may not be degraded by the nature, so it remains persist in the nature. You see that when we are throwing plastic bags, or domestic animals eat them, mainly cows, buffaloes, etc., and in their stomach it causes the problem. It is not digested, it is not degraded, so they harm, and they also harm the nature. So we should, when we do marketing, we should use the carry bags. We should minimize the use of the plastics. Government is also awareing the people about the harm of the plastics. Many states have banned the plastics, and districts have also banned the use of the plastics. So we should aware others about the harm of the plastics and encourage them to use the carry bag, use the clothes bag, jute bags instead of the plastic bags. So we have to read them. Why is plastic being banned? Plastic is useful everywhere, but why it is banned? So people make a lot of things out of plastic because it is cheap, and they can be made into just about any shape because they can be molded. Due to action of the sun, action of heat, they may be molded. Plastic things also last a long time. Yes, this is the property. This is the plastic things last a long time, and plastic does not vanish. Almost everything else made by human gets broken down either by microbes or by natural decay of metals like steel. The sun or the pounding of waves on the seashores of the world does break up plastic but cannot make it vanish. Only some plastics are recyclable. Some plastics get burned to make heat energy to power electricity generation. Most plastics just end up on garbage tops or worse, just get thrown away, ending up in the soil, on farms, rivers, lakes, and in particular the world's oceans. The government of India banned use of plastics in 25 states, mainly Maharashtra, Delhi, Punjab, Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, Goa, and West Bengal. It is said that is not being strictly implemented in many places. Ban on plastics in Bengaluru was imposed from mid-March 2016. These are the important points. Sikkim was the first state in India where plastic use was banned, and Kerala's Kannur became the first plastic-free district in India. So you read 2 or 3 times and you aware people about the harm of the plastic. So thank you. That's what today only.